One issue we keep coming back to is about the food that we are consuming and in the kind of nature of processed foods and adulteration that's being reported. I have a big news coming in from Karnataka. The cake that we all love to eat and enjoy and relish, is that cake, does that cake involve cancer-causing substances? Karnataka has warned of cancer-causing cakes. Now, I do not wish to sound alarming in this case, but this is the Karnataka Food Department that is warning some of the consumers that there have been some cancer agents found in bakery products. And we are referring to, for example, artificial colors, dyes that are used that may be leading to cancer or can be carcinogenic in nature. We're told that, remember, there's been gobi Manchurian kebabs, pani puri, all of that. But here's what some of you listening to me right now may not like to hear. Some of our favorite cakes are, for example, the red velvet, black forest varieties. But it looks like some of the ingredients here in these bakery products may be carcinogenic in nature, can cause cancer. Now, we'll try and get more scientific approach to this. My colleague Sagai Raj is joining me for the latest. Sagai, you know, before we sound alarming, before we push people away from much-loved bakery products, what is the reason that the Karnataka Food Department has given out this alert and alarm saying be very cautious when you consume bakery products, celebrations, and for all the happy occasions, but be careful on it?
I think of late the Karnataka government's food department have conducted several surveys and examination, and in those examinations they have realized that there are artificial color which has been used. Previously they had a ban using of artificial colors in gobi manchuri as well as kebabs, and now there are findings to show that there are artificial colors and other stuff which has been used in many of the cakes. Out of 235 samples which have been tested, 223 were deemed to be safe, while 12 were found to have containers dangerous levels of artificial coloring. Something like Allura Red, Sunset Yellow, FCF, Ponicu 4S, and Tartazine, and Comosine. So these are the ingredients which is popularly used in cakes like red velvet and black forest cakes. So it is a warning which has been issued by Karnataka Food Safety Department, asking people not to use all this artificial color in these cakes.
Possibly, I think more than the bakery products, it's where is it being made, what kind of areas, and perhaps that also will have to be looked at. And I would appreciate if the Karnataka Food Department or other groups come out with more details so that it is not a complete stop to some of our much-loved bakery products. Thank you very much, Sagai. So be cautious from where are you buying your cakes and cookies, and also to be slightly more cautious when you consume it.